Magandang hapon mga bata. So ngayon pag-aaralan natin is about solving word problems. So nasa ikatlong linggo na tayo ng ating second quarter. So our topic for today is about solving word problem. So this topic includes solve routine and non-routine problems involving addition and subtraction of decimal numbers including money. Okay? So the next thing na kailangan nating malaman is paano nga ba tayo magsosolve ng isang word problem. So in solving word problems, let's follow the following steps. So meron tayong steps na kailangan nating sundan kapag tayo ay magsosolve ng isang word problem. So the first step we need to do is to understand, or we need to understand the problem. So ano nga ba yung tinatanong ng ating problem? Okay? So the first one is we need to know what is asked. Ano ba yung tinatanong nila? And the next one that we need to know is what are the given facts? Ano ba yung mga given facts dun sa ating word problem? And then if we already know those things, the next step we need to do is we need to plan. So, kailangan nating magplano. So, yung plano na yan is we need to determine the operation to be used. Ano nga ba yung ating operation na gagamitin? Is it multiplication? Is it division? Is it addition? Or is it subtraction? So, there are only 4 operations lang naman. So, pipili tayo sa apat na yon. Pwedeng combination of both. Pwedeng isa lang sa apat na operations na yon. That's why we need to know what is being asked so we could plan ahead of time. And then the next one is we need to write the number sentence. And then the next step, that's the time we will solve. And kapag nag-solve tayo, we need to show our solution. At kapag may solution na tayo sa ating word problem, that's the time na kailangan natin mag-look back. We need to review. Kailangan natin balikan kung tama nga ba yung ginawa natin. At the same time, we need to label your answer. So those are the 4 things that we need to know kapag nagsosolve tayo ng isang word problem. The first one is we need to understand. The second one is we need to plan. The third one is we need to solve. And the fourth and the last, we need to look back. Okay? So, meron tayong isang example dito, word problem, para at least alam natin kung ano ba yung gagawin natin para ma-analyze natin yung problem. So here's the problem. Okay? So read the problem and answer the questions below. So the problem is, Mr. Chan recorded his monthly gas consumption. How much money did he spend in 4 months? So given dyan yung mga nagastos ni Mr. Chan na gas consumption niya from January to April. So January, meron siyang 2,656 and 30 cents. On February, meron siya nagastos sa 2,356 and 50 cents. Noong March, 2,606 and 45 cents. And on April, 2,678 and 35 cents. Okay? So the first thing we need to do here is the first step we need to understand. So we need to know, that's the problem. The first thing we need to know is to understand the problem. And to understand, the first question that we need to know is what is asked? Ano nga ba yung tinatanong sa problem? So there are given dyan, nasa problem na, the question is, how much did he spend in 4 months? Or they're asking about the total amount of gas consumption in 4 months. Ilan ba yung nagastos niyang pera na pinambili ng gas niya ni Mr. Chan sa loob ng 4 na buwan? That's the question, or that's what is asked. And the next one we need to know is what are the given facts. So sa mga, pag sinabi natin mga given facts, yun yung mga kakailanganin natin para ma-solve natin siya. So we have the amount. So we have 2,656 and 30 cents on January. On February, we have 2,356 and 50 cents on the February. And then on March, 2,606 and 45 cents. And then on April, 2,678 and 35 cents. Those are the given facts that we need to know. And then after we know the what is asked and what are the given facts, the next thing we need to know is the next step. So the next step will become, it's a problem, it's going to be the plan. Ano nga ba yung plan natin? So we need to determine the operation to be used. Since we are asking about how much money did she spend, ibig sabihin, gaano karami yung pera niyang nagasto sa pambili ng gas from January to April. So, ibig sabihin, pag we are talking about the total number, so meaning to say, we will add the four numbers or the four money from January to April. So, the operations can be addition. Okay? And then, the next step for the plan is we need to write the number sentence. So, pag na-write yung number sentence, i-add lang natin sa isa-isa pero wala pang sagot. Like, we will just write 2,656 and 30 cents plus 2,356 and 50 cents plus 2,606 and 45 cents plus 2,678 and 35 cents is equal to n. So that's the number sentence. Kapag nakuha na natin yan, the next step we need to do now is we need to solve. At kapag nag-solve tayo, we need to show our solution. So para ma-solve natin siya, we will just arrange the number, we will add, and the answer will become 10,297 and 60 cents. So yun yung total niya. And the last step, pag nakuha mo na yung answer, we will just look back, you will just review and label your answer. So the answer is 10,297 and 60 cents total amount of gas consumption in 4 months. So idudugtog mo lang yung sa dulo niya. So kung ano ba yung hinihingi niya. Since the question is how much money did she spend in 4 months for the total gas consumption, that's the answer. 10,297 and 60 cents total amount of gas consumption in 4 months. So let's have another example. So kinuha ko to sa module nyo para at least meron kayong example na mas madali nyo makukope up. So here's the question. Here's the problem. Mother gave donations worth of 23,950 cents to the Children Foundation and 32,097 and 50 cents to the Home for the Aged from her savings. If she had 60,555 and 75 cents in her bag, how much money will be left to her? Okay? So, para na mas madali natin maisip, tatagalugin natin ngayon yung problem. That's the main thing na kailangan natin gawin. So, mother gave donations worth, so yung nanay daw niya nagbigay ng donasyon amounting to 23,950 cents sa Children Foundation. At nagbigay din daw siya ng 32,097 and 50 sa Home for the Aged. Kung ang pera daw niya ay 60,555 and 75 na nakalagay sa kanyang bag, magkano kaya, how much money will be left to her? Magkano kaya ay matitira sa kanya? So the what is asked. Okay, so isa-isahin natin ngayon. So the first question is what is asked? Ano nga ba yung hinihingi natin dyan? So we are asking about the total amount money left in her bag. Ilan ba yung natirang pera sa loob ng kanyang bag pagkatapos niyang mag-donate sa Children Foundation at saka sa Home for the Aged? So next one, we have what are given. Ano ba yung mga given numbers natin dyan? So we have 23,950 cents sa Children Foundation binigay. We have $32 and 32,097 and 50 cents sa Home for the Aged. Binigay, dinonate din niya. At yung isa pang given natin is 60,555 and 75 cents. Yan naman yung total na pera niya sa kanyang bag. So the next one is what operation should be used to solve the problem? So ano nga ba yung operation or mathematical operation na gagamitin natin para ma-solve? Since we are looking sa magkano yung natirang pera, so kailangan nating i-analyze muna ano ba yung nawala dun sa pera niya. So pinag-donate niya, 'di ba? So nag-donate siya ng sa isang children foundation at saka sa isa pera niya sa home for the aged. So we will add those things. So meaning to say, we will use addition. At pag nakuha na natin 'yon, yung total na ibinigay niya, ibabawas naman natin yon doon sa total na pera niya sa bag. So we're gonna be using subtraction. So the operation to be used is addition at subtraction. Mag-a-add tayo at the same time. Pagkatapos nating mag-add, magsusubtract naman tayo. So let's proceed to the next one. The next step would be what is the number sentence? So sa number sentence, it's so easy lang. So hanapin natin yung total niya, 60,555 and 75 cents. Yun na yung nasa bag niya. Ibabawas natin siya dun sa total ng 32,097 and 50 cents and then 23,950 cents. So the number sentence is 60,555 and 75 cents minus the total of or the sum of 32,097 and 50 cents plus 23,950 cents. And then the complete answer. So here's the solution. So we need to add first the two donations na binigay natin. 32,097 and 50 cents plus 23,950 cents. Yan, itong dalawang pag-aadin muna natin siya at makukuha natin yung total number of donation. 55,998. Yan yung total donation natin. Kung ang pera natin sa bag is 60,555 and 75, magkano yung matitira sa bag natin kung ito yung i-donate natin? So, we will subtract 60,555 555 and 75 doon sa ating total donation. So it's gonna be 60,555 and 75 cents minus the total number of donations, 55,998. So the answer will be 4,557 and 75 cents. So that's gonna be the total money left on her bag. So 4,557 and 75 cents is the total amount left in her bag. So yun yung natira. So always remember para mas madali nating maintindihan, pwede natin siyang tagalugin yung ating word problem para at least yun yung mas madali nating maintindihan yung problem. At the same time, kung ano yung question, usually that is the what is asked. At kung ano yung mga given dyan, that's the what are given. Okay? So always remember for things to remember. So in solving word problems, let's follow the following steps. We have understand, which is we need to know what is asked and what are given. And then the next one is we need to plan. We need to determine the operation to be used and write the number sentence. And the next one is we need to solve. We need to show our solution. And then the last one is to look back, or we need to review and label your answer. So these are the four steps in answering word problems. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So if you learned something from this video, just click like and subscribe.